A world-first COVID test that promises results in just half an hour has been boosted by government funding. The money will fast-track the success of the WA invention and possibly our return to normal.
A fast robot turning around fast results for a fast-moving company.
Worldwide demand so high that they just can't build the things fast enough.
From a tiny office to a warehouse in less than 6 months. Today, Avicena Systems was given another boost. $3 million from the Commonwealth to mass produce its rapid COVID testing machine.
If you want to screen at airports, big events where you've got a lot of people, symptomatic and asymptomatic, you need something like this.
Forget nasal swabs, this test takes saliva with 100% accuracy.
They dip the stick into a barcoded tube that's linked to their identity.
It's loaded into the machine that can detect mutant strains of the virus in just 30 minutes. At a festival, cruise ship, sports stadium or airport, it can process 100,000 tests a day. To put that into perspective, dozens of plane loads of passengers can be tested in just over an hour. The sort of technology that could see borders disappear and international travel return. Spain and Hungary have already placed orders. Closer to home, it could be trialled at Perth Airport. Local data that could take off around the world. Amber Johnston, 7 News.
A desperate father is facing the prospect of sleeping on a